Hi, Tom Watts with Tech Republic here on site at Scale Computing Platform 2026. Today, we're digging into how Scale Computing and AMD are enabling the next generation of edge-ready systems. To find out more, I'm joined by Craig Theriac, VP of Product Management at Scale Computing, and Samir Sandesara, Senior Manager of Ecosystem and Market Development at AMD. Gents, great to have you with me today.
Great to be here.
Now, Craig, let's start with you. How does AMD's technology complement Scale Computing's unified platform approach to managing containers and VMs?
Well, I mean, you have to start with understanding what it is we do at Scale Computing, which is our vision is to allow a single platform for deploying, running, maintaining applications anywhere outside of a core data center or the cloud. So that's a giant spectrum, right? AMD has kind of the perfect complement to that in terms of performance and efficiency that allows us to focus on the operational efficiency while they allow the infrastructure itself to efficiently run those applications, whether it's containers or VMs or whatever have you.
Nice. And Samir, what does the AMD and Scale Computing partnership bring to enterprises looking to update their infrastructure across distributed sites?
That's a great question. I mean, Scale really helps customers deploy these hundreds, thousands of locations across a geographically distributed area. And whenever your deployments are that large, you have, like dollars matter substantially, right? You've got this multiplier effect that is really important. And then on top of it, Scale's customers are deploying emerging workloads that need some pretty profound levels of performance at the edge. And so we can bring those levels of performance in really dense form factors at prices and with relatively strong TCO values.
And what would you say are the key pain points that you're trying to alleviate for enterprise organizations?
For us, it's as enterprises are going through these transitions to deploy ever more workloads across their fleets of stores, as they embrace more and more AI and more compute needs on-prem, they're going through these really rapid shifts in terms of the amount of compute they need, how rapidly they have to update their systems, how rapidly they have to replace one piece of software with another. And so we provide the flexibility and the broad portfolio depth to meet them wherever their compute needs are within those stores, and Scale helps deploy onto those platforms.
Nice. And Craig, to close us out, what are the key takeaways for enterprise IT leaders that might be weighing out their options as they modernize their infrastructure in 2026 and beyond?
Yeah, I would say some of the keys are, as Samir was saying, it's like you have physical constraints, power constraints, budget constraints of every individual environment's going to be unique, and the breadth of portfolio that AMD has is able to kind of navigate all of that. But really the focus and the people that are going to be successful in deploying infrastructure have to deploy a platform that allows you to not have to worry about what's coming next, right? You want something that allows operational simplicity, operational efficiency that you can deploy across your entire fleet, whether that's a single site and you're an SMB looking to move away from VMware, or you're a multi-site retailer, as Samir was describing. And so operational efficiency, that's going to be the key to success for most customers that I talk to.
Nice. Samir, any closing thoughts from yourself?
I think we've covered a lot here. I would say if you are looking at challenges that you've got deploying edge use cases, take a look at all the different chassis options, all the different form factor options that our technology can enable through all of our hardware OEM partners. And certainly, Scale allows the deployment of all these emerging workloads on a pretty broad array of hardware.
Fantastic. Samir, Craig, thank you so much for your time today, guys. Thanks to you at home for watching. I'm Tom Watts. If you want to find out more about Scale Computing Platform 2026, please visit techrepublic.com.